Today, I would like to help you understand how to solve this logarithmic equation from the 2023 AS level test. Have a look. We have 2 log base 5 of 3x minus 2 minus log base 5 of x is equal to 2. So right here, keep in mind, based on how the equation is written, we have to pay attention to the domain of the original equation. So right here, we have to make sure the input of the logarithm is greater than 0. So if we have 3x minus 2 is greater than 0, put this to the other side, and then divide both sides by 3. X has to be 2 over 3. So that's the first condition. Now the second condition is this input right here has to be greater than 0. So x has to be greater than 0. If you combine both of them, we have to make sure later on our answer has to be greater than 2 over 3. Right? Keep that in mind. Okay, now how do we solve this though? Well, when we have 2 logs, we want to combine them to 1. And to do so, first notice that we have a 2 in front of this log base 5. We'll put this back up here to become an exponent. So this is the same as log base 5 of 3x minus 2 squared right here. And now this part is inside of the log. And then minus log base 5 of x is equal to 2. And then when we are subtracting 2 logs, we can just do the inside divided by the second inside. So this is log base 5 of this 3x minus 2 squared over x. And that is equal to 2. Then to get rid of the log, pay attention to this is log base 5. So we just have to do 5 to this power, 5 to this power, so that this and that cancel. And right here we will have parentheses 3x minus 2 squared over 2 over x. It's equal to 5 to the second power, which is 5 times 5, and that's 25. Now we can just solve this equation the regular way. We can multiply both sides by x, and let's also expand this right here. This is going to be this square, which is 9x squared, and then this is a minus, and then we do 2 times this and that. 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12, and then we have the x. And then we add 2 squared, which is 4. And that's equal to, we multiply the x to both sides. So that's 25x. Now, I will have to move this to the other side. So that's minus 25x to both sides. So this and that cancel. And then I'm just going to bring this up here. 9x squared minus 37 x and then plus 4, and that will give us 0. And I think this is factorable because we can see that if we do 9x times x, that will give us 9x squared. And if I do 4 and 1, but both of them have to be negative, and I will put negative 4 here and negative 1 here, and you will see this times this is negative 36x, and this times this is negative x. So together we do end up with negative 37x. Very nice, huh? So this means we have 9x minus 1 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. And from here, x is equal to, put the 1 to the other side, divide both sides by 9, so 1 over 9. And the other one, put the 4 to the other side, so x is equal to 4. And now, we have to go back to the original, right? Okay, they are both positive, so that's good. But we have to get rid of this. 1 over 9, it's not bigger than 2 over 3. So the answer is just x is equal to 4. And you can also do it like this way. Whenever you solve a log equation, once you get the x values, just plug back into the original. And I'm just going to tell you to focus right here. If we have log base 5 of 3 times 1 over 9 minus 2, if you just look at the inside, this gives us log base 5 of, this is like 1/3, right? So this is 1/3 minus 2, and I think it's pretty clear that this now is negative, which that will result in no real value. So that is not a valid answer. Therefore, the answer is only 4. So that's it.